Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 SLC 300. This one's a polar white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line, which is going to give you an AMG interior and exterior. 18-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels. Sahara beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Rear spoiler, SLC 300 badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got a clean set of all-season floor mats, hard top, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, media display, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, 9-speed automatic transmission, our buttons for our hard top to retract for opening and closing. This SLC has 2,116 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SLC 300, check out feldmannimports.com.